Let's learn how to convert images with a square boundary to the images with a circle boundary using Photoshop. So goal here is, as you can see on the left, you have an organic harvest image with the square images at the bottom, and the effect that we want to achieve this is on the right, where all the images of strawberries, chilies, pumpkin and tomatoes, we want to have them a circular boundary instead of a square boundary. So let's see how can we do this inside of Photoshop. So let's see how can we convert square images into circular images in Photoshop. So I have this Photoshop 2021 open on my desktop, and I have this image where I'm just trying to create a poster for organic harvest festival in my city. So as you can see, I have this nice greens on the top with a nice logo of organic harvest, and I have these images of strawberries, chilies, pumpkin and tomatoes. What I want to do is, now as you can see, these images of these fruits and vegetables are square. I want to convert them into circular images, right? So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this frame tool on the top left corner, okay, and inside frame tool you can either select a rectangular boundary or a circular boundary. So I'm going to select a circular, which is ellipse boundary here, okay. Now once you select that, you will see this mouse changing to crossover, and I'm going to select strawberry images top left corner, and then I'm going to click the mouse and drag it all the way to the bottom right, and it appears as a rectangle to us when you're dragging down, but once you reach to the bottom right and release the mouse, you will see the impact. So as you can see, the strawberry has changed to circular boundary, rectangular boundary has changed to square, boundary has changed to circular boundary, right? So how can we do it for other let's do this for other images also. So I'm just going to repeat. I'm just going to select this chilies layer, drag the mouse all the way, okay. Same thing I can do for pumpkin layer, and I can do same thing for tomato layer, right? Yeah, that's about it. It's so easy to do that in Photoshop, and now you can save or export the image as a PNG if you would like, harvest.png. And when you go to the desktop, let's try to open that file. Here is the PNG file, and that you can share on your social channels, or you can create a nice campaign using this technique.